Hello everyone, I'm Peter, and a warm welcome, or as they say in Spain, bienvenidos, bienvenidos to El Método Spanish course. Along with my Spanish daughter Jessica, who will be providing the authentic native touch, we both wish you all the best for success on your journey into this splendid language. A good place to start is the word hello, which in Spanish is hola. Hola. You can hear that the initial H is silent. Hola.
Hola.
That's it. The next word is I, which in Spanish is yo.
Yo.
The Y is pronounced similarly to English, but with a hint of J. Yo.
Yo.
In Spanish, the way to say I am is yo soy. Yo soy. However, it's more common to hear soy on its own, the yo only being used at times for emphasis. Yo soy, or more commonly, soy.
Soy.
So how would you say in Spanish, hello, I'm Peter? Hola, soy Peter.
Hola, soy Peter.
I'd now like you to introduce yourself using your own name. So, how would you say, hello, I'm, and then followed by your own name? Hola, soy. Hola, soy. Let's have a quick look now at Spanish vowels. As in English, there are 5. But unlike English, each vowel has only one sound, and these are a, e, I, o, u. Can you repeat after me? A, e, I, o, u. Be sure to pronounce pure vowels, just as you hear them from me, and to avoid any diphthongs, meaning saying a instead of e, or o instead of o. It may help to think of the a as being the a in father. A, father. The e as in egg, and the I as in tree, I, tree, and the o as in pot, pot, o, and the u as in the sound a monkey makes, oo, 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 and not oo. Pause the video and practice these a few times. To say as in a dog or a car, we say un.
Un.
A coffee is un café. Un café. And we emphasize the e vowel as it has an accent on it, which indicates the stress. So it's café and not café. Café. Un café. Please, please in Spanish is por favor.
Por favor.
Each of the R's is lightly flipped with the very tip of the tongue. Por favor, just behind the front teeth.
Por favor.
So how would you say a coffee, please? Un café, por favor.
Un café, por favor.
In Spanish, objects and all nouns are considered to be either masculine or feminine. Café is masculine, so we use un café. But a Coca-Cola happens to be feminine, so we use una Coca-Cola. Una Coca-Cola. Really try to get those pure vowels. Una Coca-Cola.
Una Coca-Cola.
So then, how would you say, hello, a Coca-Cola, please? Hola, una Coca-Cola, por favor.
Hola. Una Coca-Cola, por favor.
And how about, hello, a coffee, please? Hola, un café, por favor.
Hola. Un café, por favor.
The word for and is y.
Y.
So how would you say a coffee and a Coca-Cola? Un café y una Coca-Cola.
Un café y una Coca-Cola.
And how would you say, hello, a coffee and a Coca-Cola, please? Hola, un café y una Coca-Cola, por favor.
Hola. Un café y una Coca-Cola, por favor.
The word for two is dos. Dos. The Spanish D is softer than in English and is produced with the top of the tongue flat against the gum ridge, not with the tip of the tongue as in English. So not d, but d. Dos. Dos. With all that said, how would you say two Coca-Colas? Dos Coca-Colas.
Dos Coca-Colas.
As you can see, just as in English, an S is added to make the noun plural. But please take care to pronounce the plural S as a S and not Z, as with many plurals in English. So how would you say two coffees? Dos cafés.
Dos cafés.
Two coffees and a Coca-Cola. Dos cafés y una Coca-Cola.
Dos cafés y una Coca-Cola.
A coffee and two Coca-Colas, please. Un café y dos Coca-Colas, por favor.
Un café y dos Coca-Colas, por favor.
Here's a very common and useful formula for asking for drinks and snacks. To ask for a coffee, for example, one says, ¿Me pone un café, por favor?
¿Me pone un café, por favor?
This is a question that sounds weird in translation. You put me a coffee, please? But which corresponds to, can I have a coffee, please? Me pone un café, por favor.
¿Me pone un café, por favor?
Let's just practice the phrase with the vowels only. Repeat, please. E, o, e, u, a, e, o, a, o. Now pause the video and practice those sounds on your own. Now let's put back the consonants. Me pone un café, por favor. Me pone un café, por favor. Okay, so how would you say, can I have a Coca-Cola, please? Me pone una Coca-Cola, por favor. Me pone una Coca-Cola, por favor. And how about, hello, can I have 2 Coca-Colas and a coffee, please? Hola, me pone 2 Coca-Colas y un café, por favor. Hola, me pone 2 Coca-Colas y un café, por favor. So now, to really make these phrases stick, let's practice them rhythmically. Just join in with me when you get the hang of it, and then go back, repeating the chant as often as you can to really make it sink in. Me pone una Coca-Cola, por favor. Me pone una Coca-Cola, por favor. Un café y una Coca-Cola, por favor. Me pone 2 Coca-Colas, por favor. Me pone 2 Coca-Colas, por favor. Un café y 2 Coca-Colas, por favor. Me pone una Coca-Cola, por favor. Me pone una Coca-Cola, por favor. 2 cafés y una Coca-Cola, por favor. Me pone una Coca-Cola, por favor. Me pone una Coca-Cola, por favor. Un café y una Coca-Cola, por favor. Me pone 2 Coca-Colas, por favor. Me pone 2 Coca-Colas, por favor. Un café y 2 Coca-Colas.